Hey everyone, if you are looking to buy or recharge diamonds in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, I will walk you through the steps to do it safely and easily. First, open the Mobile Legends game and head to the main lobby. Tap on the diamond icon at the top of your screen. This will take you to the recharge section. You will see different diamond packages available, each with a price. Choose the one that suits your budget and needs. Next, select your preferred payment method. Mobile Legends usually supports options like Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit or debit cards. Confirm your purchase, and once the payment is successful, the diamonds will be instantly added to your account. To ensure a smooth transaction, make sure three things: your internet connection is stable, your payment method has sufficient funds, your Mobile Legends account is securely linked to avoid losing your diamonds. And that's it. Enjoy your new diamonds and use them to grab awesome skins, heroes, or other in-game items. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.